The next sandhi we will be studying is Jashtva Sandhi. So we will be learning the Jashtva Sandhi table, examples and rules. Jashtva, what is the meaning of Jash? Jashtva, Jash is the result of the sound transformation which happens. Jash represents, as per Maheshwara Sutras, it represents Jabagadada, J, B, G, D, D. Hayavarat, Lan, Jabagadadash, Jash. Vyanjana gets transformed. Here, the result will always be the third letter of the Varga. Now, let us see some sentences. Uttamaha balaha suryodayat prageva uttishtanti. Shadananaha shivasya putraha jagadguruhu asman patu. Swarantaha vyakarane ajantaha iti uchyante. Sagarasya abdhihi ityaparannama. Now, prageva, prag eva, shadananaha, shat ananaha, jagadguruhu, jagatguruhu, jagadguruhu, ajantaha, ach antaha, abdhihi, apdhihi. Now, in all these cases, you see, these are all Vargiya Vyanjanas, but the result has always been the third letter in all these cases. Let us analyze one case. Prak plus eva. P, a, k, eva, a. Now, we know that a is a swara. So, it's a Vyanjana combining with a swara. In this case, a Vyanjana is combining with a swara. Prageva. Ka, the letter ka gets replaced. The sound ka is replaced by the sound ga. Prak eva, prageva. Now, k becomes g. The karya is adesha and it is at only one side adesha. So, the ekara, nothing is happening to the ekara on the right side. If we see the table of Jashtva Sandhi, here there is no Puravarna, Paravarna on both sides. The table of Jashtva Sandhi, the Puravarna should be Vargiya Vyanjana. Kha, kha, ga, gha, cha, cha, ja, jha, ta, tha, da, dha, ta, tha, da, dha, pa, pha, ba, bha. Now, these are Vargiya Vyanjanas except the last letters. So, if you analyze the table, the last letters are not involved. And you have one more option, Sha. Now, this needs to be followed by Swara or Mridu Vyanjana. That is, Swara or Mridu Vyanjana should follow these letters. And the Adesha is the third letter of the Varga which is there, of the Varga which is there on the Puravarna. So, if Kakara is there in the Puravarna, Gakara comes as Adesha. The third letter of that corresponding Varga comes as Adesha. Here the Adesha is happening to the Puravarna only. Kevalam Puravarnasya Adeshaha. Puravarnasya sthane Adeshaha bhavati. We will look at some more examples. Vak Ishaha. So you have a Ka and Swara. Ishaha. It is satisfying the conditions of the table. When Ka is followed by a Swara, you make it Ga. Same way, Shat plus Api. It is also following or satisfying the conditions of the table. It should be at the end of a pada, and Shat is Takara and followed by Swara. So you will get third letter of Tavarga because Ta is there. Bhagavat Gita. Now, in this case, the right hand side does not have a swara. It has a Mridu Vyanjana. Now, this was the purpose of making the classification as Mridu and Karkasha. Mridu Vyanjanas are, if you remember, the third, fourth, and the fifth letters. Ya, Ra, La, Va. These are Mridu Vyanjanas. Bhagavat Gita. So Gita is a mridu, ga is a mridu vyanjana. So therefore we are getting ta. You should get the third letter of tavarga, Bhagavad Gita. Same way pa followed by a, subanta, sup plus anta, subanta, shash plus ananaha. Now here is the interesting case. Sir, it is very easy. It was very easy in this case. These were Vargiya Vyanjanas. So we could directly put the corresponding third letter. Very, very easy, sir. But in Shash plus Ananaha, what exactly happens is the Shakara is a Murdhakshara. Shakara is a Murdhakshara. Rutu Rashanam Murdha. Rutu Rashanam Murdha. Now we have to select another Murdhakshara in the result, which can be substituted here and which should be the third letter of the Varga and which should be inside Jash. So we can't select Ga or Ja. We have to select Da only. Rutu Rashanam Murdha. 2 refers to the Tavarga letters. If you remember the Sthana Sutras, Akuha Visarjaniyanam Kantaha, Ichu Yashanam Talu, Rutu Rashanam Murdha. So Tavarga, which is the letter that is Murdha Sthana, that has the hard palate as the Sthana, and which is also the third letter of a Varga. So it is T, Tha, Da. It is Dakara, the third letter of Tavarga. So that is why for Shash plus Ananaha, the answer is Shadananaha. So Vak plus Ishaha, Vagishaha. Shat plus Api, Shadapi. Bhagavat Gita, Bhagavad Gita. Sup plus Antaha, Subantaha. Shash plus Ananaha, Shadananaha. Be very careful with examples. Shash plus Ananaha. So it is a Avargiya Vyanjana here is changing to Vargiya Vyanjana here. Now the rule of Jashtva Sandhi, Padante Stitebhyaha Nyamaganana Etan Varjayitva Avashishtebhyaha Vargiya Vyanjanebhyaha Yada Swaraha Mridu Vyanjanam Va Param Bhavati Tada Tesham Sthane Tattadvarganam Tritiyam Vyanjanam Adeshaha Bhavati. Padante Stitat Shakarat Paraha Swaraha Mridu Vyanjanam Va Bhavati Tada Shakarasya Sthane Dakaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. So when the first 4 letters of any Varga at the end of the word are followed by Swara or Mridu Vyanjana, they are replaced by the third letter. Shakara, when followed by a vowel or a Swara or a Mridu Vyanjana, is replaced by Dakara. The sutra is Jhalam Jashonte. Now in Maheshwara Sutra, if you see on the right hand side, it is there. Jhal. So it says Jashvarnas come when Jhal Varnas are involved. What is this Jhal Varna? So you have Jabhai, Ghadadash, Jabagadash, Kapachatata, Chatata, Kapai Shasar Hal. Jhal Varnas are these Varnas. So Vargiya Vyanjanas minus Anunasika Vyanjana plus Shashasa. These are called Jhal Varnas. Now, when Jhal Varnas are involved, along with Swara or Mridu Vyanjana, we get Jash, Jabagadada as the result. So, Jhal plus Swara or Mridu Vyanjana gives Jash. This is Jashtva Sandhi.